So I'm trying out my new smartphone adapter for my microscope, and we're not finding too much going on here in this water sample. I took a little bit of soil from my aloe vera plant and threw some water in there. You want to use distilled water or anything other than chlorinated water, because that chlorine's put in there for the sole purpose of killing microbes. So if you want to see anything, make sure you use distilled water. I found this cell, and something's going on with him. I mean, I've never seen so much movement inside of a cell before. I'm wondering if it's going to split, or if it's been infected by some sort of parasite or something like that. If that's the case, we might get a chance to see it explode or something. Adjusting the light. Okay, this other cell is definitely
Sorry, I'm
dying.
having trouble connecting to the internet.
God, computer, shut up.
Sorry, I'm having trouble.
I didn't even say computer. Yeah, this guy's falling apart. It's okay, man. We've all been there. Wow, he's gone. I'm going to say that these cells have been infected by something. Oh, there you go. How cool is that? And of course, anytime you have an organism like this that's expelling its outsides, you're going to have it creates a feeding frenzy for other microbes. Typically, this sample's kind of dry. There's not too much going on. It's not actually dry, but that was cool. Cool first video.